Hi guys, this is Mr. Smith from 210, and welcome to a new year. I'm so excited because we're going to learn a lot of new stuff. We're going to learn about how matter and energy are interchanged in an ecosystem. So we're going to do a new ecosystem this time. Last year we did the Great Plains biome. I didn't do super well, but we learned a lot of good stuff. So we're going to do a new one. This time we're going to do the rainforest. You know, we already watched a video about the jungle, the rainforest. If you're not in my class and you're watching this, then that's not true for you, but that's okay. Because you could still play along and learn a lot of good stuff. So we're going to create the biodome. We're going to do the tutorial, but then I'm going to start without doing the tutorial so we can build up some of the plant life in the biodome. But the tutorial has a lot of good information. So just to review our vocabulary and skills and whatnot, we are going to do the tutorial. The basics. Welcome to Taito Ecology. I'm Albot, and I'll be acting as curator for your biodome. We know all this. Boom. Okay, so we have water this time, right away. Oh yeah, we have to do this. I'll probably skip over this. Hold the shift button to move faster. Yes, yes, yes. Hold right click and drag to rotate the camera. Right click and drag. Okay. I'm so excited, guys. Scroll wheel to zoom in and out. Okay. Take some time to look around your biodome. This one looks different than before, guys. So let's talk about some differences you see. Obviously, there's water this time. There wasn't water last time to start with, although I think there was an area with water if we got there. Alright, so we're going to hit continue. Adding life. You're able to add many cool animals and plants to your biodome. You'll be able to unlock and learn about all these species over time. Place a consumer. Guys, what's a consumer? Alright, a consumer is an organism that gets its energy by eating plants or animals. Use your impact points to place a consumer in your biodome. So let's place a consumer. I'm really not sure why it has you place consumers first. It seems to me like you should place frogs. Agouti. Let's place an agouti. Wait, why can't I? Oh, I have to do this. Purchased one agouti territory. That's what I was gonna do. Alright guys, so I placed a consumer territory called the agouti. I've never heard of an agouti. I don't know if we look in the biodex at this point. I don't know if we can look in the information tab, but okay. Click on the X button to close out the menu. Okay. Territories. You have placed your first consumer territory. Animals will only move around within their territory. Try viewing territory information by clicking on the territory marker. Okay, so you know how this works. We can look here and see how many we have. Oh, they are growing fast. It's because we just placed them. This consumer can eat tough life forms. So, okay. Click away from the agouti territory menu to close it. There we go. Click on the agoutis moving around. So an agouti looks pretty cool. When you're ready, press continue. Place a producer, guys. What's a producer? I know you know it. Your agouti's hunger bar is low. That means they need food. Try placing down some producers. Producers such as plants make their own energy from the sun. So producer is something that makes its own energy from the sun. So here we go. Amazon flame tree. That sounds really cool. Oh, we have to place a fern. Okay. Place 3 fern groups. Okay. Hey, I thought I placed a... I thought I placed them there. Hey, look what we did. Green thumb, rainforest. Gardening is fun and important to your biodome. Keep going. Of course. Check for improvements. You have placed your first producers. Your agoutis should be much less hungry now. Let's see if their hunger has improved. Detritus. Now that you have a few inhabitants in your biodome, be careful about detritus. Detritus is another word for waste, such as dead leaves, bones, and poop. Stop laughing. Allowing too much detritus to build up will harm everything in your ecosystem. Place a decomposer. Guys, what's a decomposer? It's pretty obvious. Decomposers help break down detritus. They break down waste and byproducts of people living there. So let's place some mushrooms. Place a mushroom territory. Okay. Alright, your decomposers will consume some detritus every day, but only from the plants and animals within its territory. If your biodome starts creating more detritus than your decomposers can handle, you'll need to add more decomposers. A predator's role. Predators such as bobcats, red foxes, and ocelots are animals that eat other animals. It's best to place predators down when you have some more prey animals in your biodome to sustain them. The flow of matter. Congrats, you now understand the basics of maintaining an ecosystem with all three elements: producers, consumers, and decomposers. Taking photos. You can also take photos as you watch your ecosystem expand. Let's try taking one now. Press G to take a photo. Alright, let me remember. Dude, that's a little too low. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I want to get close to one of them. Lazy little agouti. There's our photo. Snap and share. Next neat screenshot, but you'll take more impressive photos once you embellish your ecosystem further. Be sure to share the best of your photos through Steam's community gallery. Okay, speed up time in your ecosystem by pressing this button. Alright guys, that's the tutorial. I'm going to come back and do some different things.